Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can access your Temu codes, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using the web version, however, you can use the mobile version just as well. And all you need to do is just access your profile segment with your profile options, and you will be able to, of course, access your codes. Now you'll be able to list through your codes, which you have already entered, as well as enter new ones, and on the PC version it looks like this. All you need to do is go into your orders and account in the top right, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see your coupon codes. Click on that, and here you will have the option to enter or see any codes. Now as you'll see, you have the option to enter them. You just enter the coupon code over here, click apply, and then it'll immediately apply to your account. And as you can see, I don't have any coupons or offers available at the moment. However, you will also see your unused, your used, and expired coupons over here. And as you can see, only coupons that were expired within 3 months are shown on this list. So after 3 months, they will be deleted from this list. And as for used ones, pretty much the same. Same is true. If you wait 3 months, they will be deleted from this list, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. You'll be able to list through them right over here, see which ones are active, which ones are unused, used, and expired, as well as enter new ones. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.